Hi everybody, we are in the kitchen today making some homemade vanilla extract. Yes, this is your friendly reminder that if you want to have rich, delicious, flavorful vanilla extract by the holidays, or if you even just want to give some away as gifts, now is the time to get it started. The longer it sits, the better it is. So if you want to know how to make the best homemade vanilla extract, let's get started. Making homemade vanilla extract could not be easier. All you need is a jar to put it in. You need your vanilla beans and you need some alcohol. Now, if you don't drink alcohol or use alcohol to cook with, you can use food grade vegetable glycerin. But we use alcohol, so that's what we're going to talk about today. The vanilla beans, in order to fit into these pint-sized jars, need to be cut in half. I buy a package of 10 vanilla beans, and then I put 2.5 into each jar. So that gives me 4 jars for a 10-pack of vanilla beans. After I cut the beans in half, I take that knife and I use it to slice open lengthwise the bean pod. And once you put that into the jar and then you cover it up with your alcohol in the jar, as it sits, it will allow those beans to come out of the pod, and that's what's going to infuse the alcohol with the flavor of vanilla. Once you have the beans cut open and your alcohol in the jar, you're just going to put a top on it. I like to use these little plastic lids that go with the ball jars. I also have a piece of wax paper, and that just helps to keep a good seal on the jar. So I just put all these together, and these look darker because of the type of alcohol they are, but this is the vodka, so you can see it's a little bit clearer. So what you want to do is, for the first few weeks, and there's really no science to this, it's not going to matter if you miss, a day or two. But for the first few weeks, keep these in your pantry, and then, once a day, just go over and give it a little shake, okay? I kind of like to make a routine. I have my coffee in the morning, I give my vanilla extract a shake, and then I forget about it. And I do that for a couple of weeks. And then you do it once a week, and then maybe once a month. Well, by the time that rolls around, you're ready to bake with it. It's been 6 months, and it's good to go. Now, you can, at that point, just keep it in this jar. That's fine. You can decant it into a larger jar and then keep the beans in there and just put more alcohol over it. You don't have to throw away your beans. They will keep releasing their extract for a very long time. If you want to get your vanilla to taste even better, okay, let it sit longer for 6 months. That's one of the reasons why I made 2 spiced rums, because I'm going to let these sit for 18 to 24 months. Yes, you heard me right. These will stay in my pantry for that long. Once they get that concentrated, you don't have to use as much, and it's just amazing. So I personally like to use the spice rum and the bourbon over just the vodka, but any one of these will work. So it's just your personal preference. One jar of this in a pint-sized jar is the equivalent to a full bottle that you see here, okay? That's 16 ounces. A 16-ounce bottle of pure vanilla extract, say like from McCormick, is over $30. Well, the vanilla beans cost me $20, and then the alcohol that I bought, to put in it, I probably spent total about $38 total. And so I can get 4 times the amount for just a little bit more money, and then you can give these away as gifts. I'm gonna give some away for Christmas presents, and I wanted to show you these little jars. I found these at IKEA. They sell them in sets of 3. So if you can't find little jars to put them in, you can, you know, pick some up there. I think this set was $3, so $1 each. So look how cute. You can put a label in here and give that away as a Christmas present. I would say a minimum of 6 to 8 weeks to get really good flavor, but you know, you really want 6 months, and if you really want to maximize that flavor, go 18 to 24. So that's it. Get that homemade vanilla extract started, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.